In Austell at the Amera Pet Store, Reptile Store, Terry and Diego Store, and I've got a new friend here. This is Dulcinea. She's an African Gray. Right now she's a little baby that's being nurtured by the owners here. And she's 3 weeks old. And perhaps around January she may come home with us. We're considering adopting her. And we think she's a beautiful bird. We come visit her every day. We spend 10 minutes with her. That's what we're allowed. It's like having, a girl in jail or something, man. You get 10 minutes with them. But this place is certainly not like jail. This is a great, great pet store, Austell, if you ever get a chance. There we go. Supposedly, this is affection when she bites my finger. I find if I touch her beak, she chews my finger. And that's Dulcinea for today. Thanks for shopping with us. Bye now.